Yes. I am here at NTSA. They are telling me you applied for a number plate. Did you apply?
Yes, I applied.
Did you?
I waited for so long.
Why have you not picked your number plate?
I've gone there twice. And they are telling me that the message I have.
Yes.
That is for the Nairobi office. Theirs, I must get a message showing chassis number. That is when I can confirm that my number plate has come.
So you came here. You came to the headquarters here in Nairobi.
No. Mombasa.
You are based in Mombasa.
Yes.
So you went to our office in Mombasa.
Yeah, in Mombasa. I've gone there twice.
Did you get any SMS telling you to come and pick?
Yes.
From Nairobi or from Mombasa?
The Mombasa office told me that is an SMS for Nairobi office.
Yes.
Showing that they have already dispatched the number plate.
Yes.
But with them, the message they would send to me must have the chassis number. That is when I should be convinced that they have already received my number plate.
At Nairobi, at Mombasa office?
At Mombasa office.
So when did you last go there, to the office?
Some 2 weeks back.
2 weeks?
Yeah.
And the second time?
No, that is the second time.
The first time?
The first time was in August.
In August?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Maurice. I will see what to do about it.
Now, where is the number plate?
I'm trying to find out. I am in their office also asking them the same question.
Okay.
Yeah. I came to see the problems of Kenyans complaining here. And I saw your name was part of the applicants who are still, who are supposed to have their number plate already printed but have not received it. So I wondered why you have not picked your number plate yet we have already printed.
Yeah, I've gone there twice.
Okay, I will come back to you.
Okay, fine.
So where is the breaking in the system? Between, you can see it's been printed, you've received, but the gentleman doesn't have it.
Hello?
John, how are you?
Fine, thank you, sir.
My name is Murkomen.
Yes, sir.
I have a case of a gentleman here, which it looks like many other cases.
Yes.
His number plate was printed,
yes,
submitted here in Nairobi, I mean NTSA office,
yes,
and sent to you, but you have not given him his number plate.
I have the number plate. There was a package from the one in Nairobi.
So it's still here. So this is the plate.
Yeah. There's a problem with packaging.
So how many of them have the same problem? John.
Yes, sir. I'm checking. From the store. I want to check them physically.
Don't go physically. If the system doesn't show you, we have found the number plate is here.
Yeah, you see, once we approve, we send a requisition to Nairobi. Because it is done through the procurement department.
Yes.
So once it is printed and received from the printer, that is Chalby,
yes,
they are dispatched to us.
Yes.
So once we receive, we put them in an Excel, which I was just about to check, to confirm whether we have received the physical plate in Mombasa. So that's what I'm about to check.
No, you don't need to check. It's here.
Oh, the number is there?
Yeah, it's here. They've just found it.
Okay, fine.
So
yes.
What happens in such situations? What do you tell the customer when they come? Because I called the gentleman, he says he came to your office twice.
Yes. What we do, because this is now a requisition and procurement process, so once we approve a number, we do a requisition through the headquarters because we have...
I know, but when it comes there, when it comes and you can see in the system it is in Nairobi, what do you do?
So the system does not show it is in Nairobi. What it shows, it shows it is approved and printed. So from Mombasa, I'm not able to confirm whether it is in Chalbi or within our store in Nairobi. So normally I call the team in Nairobi to confirm whether they have the number physically. But in most cases, they deliver them immediately the following day.
So Morris, the guy is called Morris. He should deliver today or tomorrow?
Yes.
Give him his number plate on Monday.